Okay, so the first thing we must know in any mechatronics system is the sensor, the actuator, and the controller. So the sensor is the sensory, the thing that takes the input. The the controller the controller is what controls the thing after. So the thing goes like sensor, actuator, and controller. So we get input, controller get input from sensor, and then controller gives, tell actuator to do something, and then actuator does something, and then it provides a feedback to the sensor, and then the loop goes on and on. So in this case, there is this one controller, and there is this one actuator here which is controlling the position of this module, and then there are a few there are one actuator here which is controlling the focus of this laser module. So yeah. So now how CD-ROM works is, okay, first we have a controller. Now first we see the gross positioning of the optical module, this module over this thing, this CD. So the gross positioning is handled by these screw type things. These are actuators, and there is a motor here. Now there are many ways to do this gross positioning. One of the way is to use this screw thing and have a thing like this connecting it, and the laser module goes there. The other way is to, and the motor controlling this, a stepper motor. And then other way is to use a servo motor like this, and the thing from have rails, and the rails like that, and rails, and they connect and they control each other. This controls the location of the actuator, and the laser module is here. And the fine positioning of the optical module is done using, there are three wires, and the optical module sits like that. The laser and everything sits like that in the pyramid, as you can see here. And this is controlled using electromagnets, which controls its position up and down. Fine control is done with that. Now focusing of the laser module is done using these lens, and there are electromagnets here which changes the position of this lens up and down. Now how do we know that how that is the image in focus or not? Well, to see that, we have on the photoreceptor, the thing is divided in three. There is this, let's call it E module. There is this, let's call it F module. And there is this center A, B, C, D. Now what this does is that we should do Now this, now here, what we do is we divide the laser in three, and there is a prism now. What we do is that we divide the laser in three, and there is a prism, the beam splitter. Now what the beam splitter does is it is this is the laser, and it is there are three lasers, and it goes like this, and it focuses on that, and it comes and stuff happens.